going to Chuck E. Cheese's. This alarm will rung in 20 seconds. Ha 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 ha.
Alright everyone, let's sing Bop Till You Drop by Greg and Steve. What the? I just heard the fire alarm going on. So Jenner, how is Chuck E. Cheese?
It was fun.
Good, now let's watch the news right now.
Hello, this is Bob Packard, and we're in Chuck E. Cheese's right now. Today, someone pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's, and the fire department resetting the fire alarm. Take us right now.
Well, the fire just rung off, and there is no fire around in this building. Do you know anyone who could have done such a thing? Do you know who did this? Well, the fire alarm just rung off. Wait a second. I know who probably did this. It must be Junior. He should be in big trouble right now. God dang it, Junior. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? You are grounded for 12982982719289738928978397837172936854717292178391729 decades. Go to your room now before I punish you.